Amanda. Now, I know you don't usually do screen tests, but Hanwha Vision is used to seeing things, like really seeing things.
Hanwha Vision?
It's a South Korean company, leader in global security solutions.
Is this a K-pop role? Because I can totally sing today.
No, it's all about proactive vision intelligence.
Bro, what?
You'll see. All right, let's go, people. Okay, so now you see retail intelligence. Huge stores, super luxe.
Ooh, a heat map.
Action.
Let's see, menswear is flowing nicely, women's too, and wow, what's this?
Kids wear, big hit.
Okay, move men's and women's to the back, kids in the middle, and make the front toys.
We don't have a toy department.
You do now.
Cut! That was great.
What'd you think about the you do now thing I threw at the end?
Oh, it's working. Now you see an entire city.
There, 8th and Main is jammed. Pull it up from every angle. Send an ambulance by just in case. Am I crushing it? Am I crushing it?
Now you see 1,000 ATMs at once.
Are there any we need to worry about? Send somebody to check on that. Wait, can it really do all this?
Floating screens? No, but the security, totally legit.
Oh, nice.
Now you see the ins and outs of a high school. Actually, you hear them.
Everything all right in there, chemistry club?
It's boron trioxide.
It's what?
Just glass.
There goes our science budget.
Now you see industrial chaos.
What do we do?
Don't worry, somebody already sent a response team.
And cut!
I think I get it now. So, did I get the role?
Actually, there are still a few more things you need to see.
Wait, there's more?